Welcome to Dex. Today, we'll walk you through the process of adding and deleting payment methods for your customers. Starting by clicking on Manage in the main menu, followed by Customers. Enter the customer's name, token, or ID. Once you've found the desired customer, click on their row in the data grid. This will open the Customer Details screen. Then, click Select Add Payment Method header. Select credit card or e-check. After that, fill in the required information for the selected payment method. When you need deleting a payment method, find the customer and click on their name and identify the payment method you want to delete. Locate and click the cancel icon above the payment method. Finally, click Delete in the confirmation modal. That's it. Streamline your business operations with Dex's efficient payment management.